Hello siblings, welcome again to my YouTube channel, The Real Housewife of the Villa. I am your girl, Mrs. Independent, and I am bringing you the update as they happen in the Big Brother house. So people have been arguing and speaking on behalf of Guluva as if he doesn't have a mouth to speak for himself. Now he has exposed himself that he's a ladies' man, and now people are talking on his behalf. Honestly, siblings, Sweet Guluva is a ladies' man, and he knows that, okay, and he enjoys that. And if he didn't want Jojo to be close to him, he could have told her a long time ago. I remember after Ashley left, he was in the washing area, and Sipesihle came to join him. And Sipesihle, while he was talking to him, he made Sipesihle aware, so that he said he doesn't want to be accessible. And also Sipesihle was saying, you have your guard up, and he said, yes, it's because I don't want to be accessible to anyone. So if he didn't like that Jojo was playing with him, he could have long time told Jojo. Remember when they were fighting, and he would tell Ashley straight face about things that he doesn't like when Ashley does. So why would he not tell Jojo what he feels? Yeah, you ask yourself, why 2 condoms all the time? Answer that. And Big Brother had to come to his rescue. Damn. Thank you so much for tuning in. Until the next one. Bye.